I purchased these Bronson Basics Biotin vitamins, and they're great for hair, skin, and nails too. And this also comes in a 360 pack. How perfect is that? Almost a whole year's supply. And these are also GMO-free, gluten-free, and soy-free too, and also great for vegetarians. Let me show you a close-up of what the pills look like. It has an easy-to-open cap, and this is what the pills look like. It's nice because they're really small and easy to swallow. And they're very easy to take. All you have to do is put one in your mouth, preferably after meals, and drink with some water. Simple as that. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.